How do you produce high-quality concrete in one of the most demanding environments in the world? At Puerto Antioquia, Colombia, operations run both onshore and offshore. Logistics are complex, conditions are unpredictable, precision is critical. That's where Domat comes in. With high-capacity DMPE batching plants operating directly on barges, and on-site mixing plants handling multiple aggregates with accuracy and consistency. Modular silos designed for fast assembly and high-volume storage. Continuous mixing plants built to maximize output without compromising quality. Complete concrete production systems delivered directly on-site. Proven in real projects, built for real performance. Domat, ready to support your next project. Visit domatqsa.com.